Hi folks, Trish here. Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to use your tomato powder from your preps to make tomato soup. The ingredients you need for one serving are a quarter cup tomato powder, 1 tablespoon instant milk powder, 1 teaspoon vegetable bouillon. I used better than bouillon here, but you can use granules. A pinch of paprika, a pinch of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon sweetener, and 1 3/4 cup boiling water. Blend all ingredients, cover, and let sit for 2 minutes. You can omit the milk powder. That and the sweetener help to mellow the strong flavor of the powdered tomatoes. I've omitted them and it tastes fine. I also stirred the mixture after a minute again and covered it for the final minute. The seasonings I used are just a guide. You can change those to your taste. Tomato powder is great to have on hand for soup and sauces. I hope that helps.